Why do seniors suddenly trip even on flat ground? And why does it happen more often with age, yet rarely gets explained? That question opens the story of Mr. Dawson, a gentle elderly man who loved morning walks around his small neighborhood. But lately, his steps were becoming unpredictable. Some days he stumbled forward, other days his foot dragged slightly, and he often caught himself whispering, I hope no one saw that. One breezy afternoon, while stepping off the curb, his toe clipped the edge and he nearly fell. His heart pounded. He stood frozen, embarrassed, and shaken. At that moment, a warm light appeared beside him, superhero Y. Tilok, landing softly with calm determination in his eyes. Mr. Dawson, he said gently, you're not clumsy, your body is asking for support. Dawson frowned, but I used to walk without thinking. Why am I tripping now? Tilok explained in a reassuring tone. As we age, three things quietly change. Your balance slows, your stride becomes shorter, and your foot doesn't lift as high as it used to. Even a tiny bump can become a hidden obstacle. He reached into a glowing projection and revealed a lightweight walking cane, slim and steady. Let me show you how a cane can stabilize every step, not as a symbol of weakness, but of confidence. Dawson watched closely as Vaitilok demonstrated the simple technique. Place the cane slightly ahead, step with the weaker leg next, then follow through with the stronger leg. The cane, though light, acted like a third point of balance, reducing wobbling, fixing posture, and preventing the toe from catching on uneven ground. Try it, Vaitilok encouraged. Dawson took a tentative step, then another. His eyes widened. The wobble he feared was gone. His feet felt more certain, his steps more controlled, and for the first time in months, the fear of falling loosened its grip. Over the next week, he walked with newfound confidence. Instead of scanning the ground nervously, he looked up, greeting neighbors with a smile. One neighbor finally asked, Dawson, you seem steadier lately. What changed? He chuckled softly. I got the right support, and it changed everything. Far behind him, Itilok's blue cape fluttered once before disappearing into the afternoon light. Senior Health, powered by Y. Tilok. Subscribe for more simple senior health tips.